y'all, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are leaving home right now. Got a few things we got going on today. First, we're gonna stop and go and meet my friend for breakfast at Golden Corral. We're thinking about doing a hayride. I'm not sure if that's gonna happen or not. It's kind of overcast here today. It's supposed to rain today. We're also, my daughter has a birthday party today at 1 o'clock. And I got some things that I need to take to donate because I am continuing my series in decluttering my home. So I have a lot going on today. But right now, we're gonna go and get something to eat. And we will see y'all at Golden Corral.
Slipping away, so don't let me go, nah, 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 nah. I'm all up in that love haze, so where do we go, nah, nah? Just let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay, stay. I'm slipping away, so don't let me go now. The love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, out of control. Oh baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control, out of control. I'm in love. I'm in love. Yeah.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I'm doing good. It's nice out here, huh?
It's gonna be cold in there. You know.
I know. I gotta get me a jacket.
Good morning. How are you? On the road?
Are we lost? Are we not? Are we real? Are we turning to dust? Do you feel what I feel? Have we changed so damn much?
Okay, y'all. So we are done eating, and I think we're gonna go to Dollar Tree really quick. Pick up a couple of things in there, and then I think we're gonna go ahead and head on back to our side so that I can drop my daughter off, and then I can go ahead and finish running my errands for the day.
But you don't feel the same, right? I've been thinking about you. If you think about me, are we thinking this through? If we're not meant to be, and you're doubting in me, tell me what should we do? Didn't think you'd leave without a trace. Go find some courage and just say it to my face.
Okay, y'all. So we are back in the car. I tried to get a little bit of footage while I was in Dollar Tree, but I just wasn't. It was a lot going on in Dollar Tree today. I don't know. It was too many people in there, and it was. I didn't get any footage, but we are on our way to Target right now. Pick up a couple of things, and we're gonna be headed back so I can drop Karen off at her birthday party. The weather's starting to get a little nasty, so I'm going to try to get everything done so I can get on back home.
But you don't feel the same, right? I've been thinking about you, thinking about me. Are we thinking this through? If we know meant to be, and you're doubting in me, tell me what should we do? how we made. Why always a wall, babe, when we wanna come closer? Don't tell a million lies. Kill the butterflies. I just wanna make things right.
Okay, y'all, so we made it back in the car. We just left out of Target. It started pouring down as soon as we walked out of the store. So, I was gonna make another stop since we were over here by the mall. I was gonna run in there real quick, but since the weather has gotten bad, we're just gonna go ahead and head back to our side of town, and I'm gonna drop my daughter off at her birthday party, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go home. I was kind of disappointed with Target today. They didn't have anything that I needed. They didn't have my Home and Planet, my soft scrub with Oxy, and their dollar spot was really picked over today. So Target kind of let me down today. Target, y'all gotta do better. But so I guess tomorrow I will stop at another Target. I'm not gonna try to do that today because the weather it's not a good day to be out. So I'm gonna drop her off at her party, and then I'm gonna go home and get started on some things that I need to take care of at the house. So I will see you all when I get home. Okay, y'all, so I made it back home. I had to stop by and check on my son because the weather was kind of bad, so I wanted to make sure he was all right. And I'm about to head back out. Still got to drop my daughter off at this birthday party that I keep talking about. Been talking about it all day, and we still ain't made it there yet. But anyway, that's what we're getting ready to do. I need to make a donation drop off at the thrift store, but it's raining. Y'all see that? The weather is bad here today. It's only supposed to be like this until about 4 o'clock though. And then the weather is supposed to, I guess, get a little bit better. I don't know. But anyhow, I guess we're gonna leave and take it to this party. I can't load the stuff in my car right now. So I will see y'all. Okay, so I'm back at home. Just got back from dropping Cameron off at her friend's birthday party. And I think I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning my closet out. I wanted to make a drop off at the thrift store, but I think I'm just going to go ahead and wait until I finish cleaning and decluttering my closet. That way I can just let one stop do for all. So I'm just kind of hanging out on my back porch right now. Feels nice here. It finally stopped raining, and it's overcast, but it's making me a little sluggish. Kind of want to take a nap, but a nap is not in the cards for me right now. What's in the cards for me is cleaning this closet out. So I think that's what I'm going here and do. So y'all are seeing this. Y'all should be watching this on the 28th. Today's 26th. So yeah, y'all should be seeing this on the 28th. But anyway, I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to go in here and start working on this closet. So I bought this wooden organizer at Family Dollar. I needed something to replace a plastic container that was in my closet before, and I wanted something smaller, and this was perfect. So here my husband is making sure all of the pieces were there before he started putting it together.
Love me like you do. like a dream. I'm coming in. The fantasy, it never leaves when I'm with you. Ooh, I give you a taste. Now when you with me, you can have your cake. Just love me like you do. And just love me like you do. All I ever wanted, someone like you that would love me.
Okay, so now that we're done putting that organizer together, it's time to start clearing my closet out.
You're my ghost, yeah. Come on, love me like you do. I'm giving you the best, boy, the best you'll ever see, and you can have it all. Now give me yours and me, the best that you can be, and you can have it all. I'm giving you the best, boy, the best you'll ever see, and you can have it all. Now give me yours and me, the best that you can be, and you can have it all. I am a woman, not here to please you. It's time
So now that I've gotten everything out of the closet, I'm just going to go through those shoe boxes to see if there's anything that I want to get rid of. I was looking for all of the empty shoe boxes that I had up there so that I can put all of those together.
And I make mistakes I never made before, but either way I know I made up my mind. I'm through feeling scared, I'm leaving all that behind, so I'm gonna let it shine on you. Make room for everything that's true. Do whatever I wanna do, and then I let it shine on you.
Now I'm just going through those drawers, seeing if there's anything in there that I wanted to keep or get rid of. I'm also going to go through my hat box that I have sitting there. It's got, it's where I keep all of my wallets and everything. So I'm just going through there to see if I want to purge anything out of that.
I'm a woman, coming alive. Glory, I gain no, we will survive. And then I take the first step, a million more. And I make mistakes I never made before.
Like I said, I'm just going to go through each of those drawers in that container to see if there's anything that I want to keep or throw away or donate.
So I'm gonna let it shine on you. Make room for everything.
So here I have two separate piles. One of those is trash and the other one is what's going to go into that new container that we had just put together. So I'm just basically trying to figure out what I want to keep still and what I want to throw away.
I wanna let it shine on you.
And so now I'm just going to go ahead and take all of my purses down and decide which ones are going to go in storage and which ones I'm going to keep.
Glory again, we will survive. I'm gonna let it shine on you. I'm gonna let it shine on you. And I let it shine, shine, shine. I'm gonna let it I wanna get you all alone now and go hide away from the lights. But
Okay, y'all, so at this point, I realized that this container is not big enough to hold all of these. So I'm gonna sit these right here until I can get a bigger one. And I need to go through, let me show y'all. The ones that's left on my bed, I need to go through. So I need to go through these and see what I'm gonna keep. So I think I'll just.
I reach out in the middle of the night, dreaming on my mind, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep.
I'm gonna hold on to all of these.
Next to you, babe, no, I'm thinking I deserve a hit. Maybe someday we could work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why. Don't you know I'm way too weak?
And here I'm going through my jewelry, checking to see if there's anything that I wanted to get rid of. Okay, y'all, I'm finally done, and it feels so good. Everything looks so much more put together. I was able to get rid of a bunch of things that I just don't need anymore.
Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night, I fall down in the middle of the night, screaming, oh my God, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep.
So I hope this gave you some motivation to purge and declutter your closet as well. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more content like this, give this video a thumbs up and hit that bell so you never miss an upload. And please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I would love for you to join my family, and I'll see you all in the next one.